Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin with Essentials. Open Power BI Desktop and sign in so credentials propagate. Once done, choose Get Data and pick the exact source type because the connector controls authentication and performance. Point to your file path, server name, or API endpoint and enter credentials when prompted. This avoids later access errors. Make sure to select Import versus Direct Query intentionally, since that decision affects refresh behavior, model size, and query folding. Now move to shaping the data. Open Power Query Editor to transform data. Remove unneeded columns, fix column types, and filter rows to reduce volume. This improves performance. Once transformations are designed, observe query folding indicators. Push operations to the source when possible to speed refresh. Then close and apply to load a trimmed model. After loading, create relationships in the model view and set sensible storage modes. This prepares efficient visuals. Make sure to document key steps so you can reproduce or modify them quickly. Finish by publishing to Power BI Service and configuring Dataset Refresh. Set refresh frequency, credentials, and if needed, install and map an on-premises data gateway. Once published, validate visuals and run a manual refresh to confirm success. If performance lags, use query diagnostics to pinpoint slow steps. If something fails, check credentials, gateway status, and privacy level mismatches first. Those are the usual culprits. Finally, enable incremental refresh for large tables to cut future refresh time and costs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.